you want to be in Iceland? What do you think?
Today we are at 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗟𝗪. As you can see how beautiful the weather is today. We are just gonna be camping. I'm here with Letitia. She's over there waiting for me to get down. I'm so excited to be back in Iceland and just being reminded of exactly why I fell in love with this place. So we made it to the camping site and set up the tent over there. We're going to be sleeping in this one and I'll show you it. Some more guys here with us, and no, it's just these two sections, this and this. I will be sleeping in this tent. Hey. And Letitia over there. Hey guys. You don't mind being on the camera, right? Yeah. This is the glamping section, I think. And the barbecue stuff's there. You want a tour? Maybe you can give us a tour of the tent. So,
There's nothing in it yet.
yeah, there's nothing really in it, but there you can see there's one section over here.
There's nothing in it.
And then there's one section over here. Yeah, nothing in it. Nope. But this is basically to help it keep warm. So yeah. India says she hasn't camped for like 1 year. I haven't camped for 5 years. So it would be nice to do it again. I'm gonna go outside because there's more light.
My hair is black right now.
No, it's okay. Such a nice idea, which just happened yesterday.
Yeah,
Just
today at
yeah.
12 o'clock or so.
Yeah.
Oh, stuff is over there. What are you talking about? I'm just gonna hold the camera. I just want to send you a quick message. I just want to say you're beautiful, I love you, and you're so brave. I just feel like you're special. Of course you are. Love you. Okay.
Hvað er að fela?
Geggjað. Awesome camera woman. We have a new camera woman. Hey.
Yeah, you really fit into behind the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, totally.
You should get one.
Yeah. You can go together maybe. Yeah. I don't know what you're doing with this video, put on YouTube or something, but if you're putting on YouTube, please put this on YouTube. Everybody go subscribe and like this channel. Okay.
Jo, jeg tog en stykke pind.
Here we are approaching a cave. We're not gonna go inside, but we're just gonna walk up to it. There are sheep here, which I'm gonna show you. And yeah, it's just a beautiful landscape generally. It's gorgeous. Yeah. She's making friends. It came heading down. Now it's a bit stuck. Cute. This is where we are. Okay, so we're walking back to the car now. We're done with the cave. Oh, I'm tripping. I just tripped over. Okay, just have to be really careful when you come to this cave because there are a lot of loose stones. I didn't go all the way in because I felt like, first of all, I'm not wearing appropriate footwear, and secondly, I'm a bit scared. Yeah, but yeah, we're just gonna go on our way. We're gonna go to Reykjavik now and go to church. I've got to get dressed. You're being blocked by sheep. Oh my goodness, so funny.